In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a file version to keep forever in Google Drive. This is perfect when you need to lock a specific revision of a file so it isn't automatically cleaned up over time. By default, Google Drive may remove older versions of uploaded files after a period or once many revisions have piled up. Marking a version to keep forever tells Drive to preserve that exact snapshot, no matter how many updates you make later. Start on a computer by going to drive.google.com. You'll be working in the web interface because that's where the version controls are easiest to access. Find the file you're interested in. This could be a PDF, an image, a video, or a Microsoft Office document you've uploaded. If you have a lot of files, use the search bar at the top or switch to List View to see details and dates that make identification easier. It also helps to double check that you're in the correct Google account if you manage multiple accounts. Once you've located the file, right-click it to open the context menu. From there, choose File Information and then select Manage Versions. This opens a dialog that lists all the stored versions of that file, each with a timestamp and file size. If the file is new, you might only see one version. If it's been updated several times, you'll see a history of previous uploads. Inside the Manage Versions window, look down the list to find the specific revision you want to protect. You can click a version's name to preview or download it if you need to confirm it's the right one. When you're sure, click the three vertical dots next to that version. This is the More Actions menu, and choose Keep Forever. After you do this, Drive marks that version so it won't be removed by its routine cleanup rules. You should see an indicator confirming it's being kept. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same menu and remove the Keep Forever setting to let Drive manage it normally again. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep Forever is especially useful for non-Google file types you've uploaded, like PDFs or images. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, version history is managed directly inside those editors, which have their own set of tools. Also, you'll need edit access to the file to manage versions. For clear organization, consider naming or noting critical milestones so you can easily spot the version that matters most. That's it, you've set a file version to keep forever in Google Drive.